Hi all. Today I am going to focus on angular elevation and angle of depression with right angle trigonometry. Let's see angular elevation and angle of depression. What the angular elevation? The angular elevation is the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal when we are looking up. Here, this one. Actually, the angular depression, the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal direction when we are looking down. It is angular depression. Let's see how to use these two. Let's go to my first example. It says a person on a ship observes a lighthouse on the cliff, which is 830 meters away from the ship. The angular elevation of the top of the lighthouse is 12 degrees. Determine how far above the sea level top of the lighthouse is. Correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, now if I draw a small diagram, this is the lighthouse. This is the ship is here. This is however the top of the lighthouse, the angular elevation is 12 degrees and it says which is 830 meters away from the ship. Yes, this is 830 meters. Now we are asked to find the height of the lighthouse. I'll take it as h. Okay, then we know that according to the given information, the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, hypotenuse is known and this angle is known. We have to find the opposite side. We know that sine 12 is equal to opposite of hypotenuse, it is 830. Then the h is equal to 830 times sine 12. The sine 12 value is given 830 times 0.2079. Therefore, h is equal to 172.557. We are asked to write it to correct 2 decimal places. We can write it as 172.56 meters. This is the height of the second part. The height of the lighthouse is given. It is 24 meters. We are asked to find what the height of the cliff is. I'll take it as L. L plus 24 is 172.56. Then L is equal to 148.56 meters is the height of the cliff. My second example, here it says at a certain time of the day, a post 4 meters tall cast a shadow of 1.8 meters. Calculate the angular elevation of the sun. At that time, write your answer correct to nearest minute. Okay, now we will draw a small diagram. The diagram is there is a 4 meter tall which cast a shadow of 1.8 meters. However, we asked to find the angular elevation, the angle in between the horizontal direction and this line is theta. Then we know that tan theta is equal to 4 over 1.8. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 4 over 1.8. Then theta is 65 degrees 0.77. Let's move to my next example. It says an observer who is standing 47 meters from a building measures the angular elevation of the top of the building as 17 degrees. If the observer's eye is 167 centimeters from the ground, determine the height of the building. Write to answer in meters correct to 2 decimal places. I'll draw a small diagram. there is a building. An observer is here. His eye level is 167 centimeters above the ground. The angular elevation of the top of the building is, it is given that it is 17 degrees. Now we are asked to find the height of the building. That I'll take this one is h, and this is known 1.67 meters. However, it is given that this distance it is 47 meters. We know this angle and the opposite side and the adjacent. Then we have to use tan of 17 is equal to h over 47. H is given 47 times tan 17. 47 times 0.3057. If we multiply this, it is 14.37 meters. But we are asked to find the height of the building. Height of the building is 1.67 plus 14.37. It is 15.04 meters. Let's move to my next example. It is the angle of depression. The angle of depression from the top of the one building to the foot of another building across the same street is 45 meters. Horizontally away is 65 degrees. Okay. Here, the angle of elevation from one of the buildings to the foot of the other building, it is 65 degrees, and the distance between this one is 45 meters. The angle of depression to the roof of the same building is, it is 30 degrees. Evaluate the height of the shorter building. We are asked to find this one. I'll take it as capital H. Since this is 65 degrees, this one also 65 degrees. They alternate angle. Similarly, this one is 30 degrees. It is an alternate angle. We can calculate this total height as well as we can calculate the small height. We can calculate the total height by using this triangle. I'll draw the right angle triangle again. This is 65 degrees. This is 45. We have to find what this height is. I'll take it as L1. However, tan of 65 is equal to L1 over 45. L1 is equal to 45 times tan 65 is 96.50. I'll draw another diagram. Small right angle triangle. It is 30 degrees, and this is again 45, and I'll take this one as L2. Tan 30 is equal to L2 over 45. L2 is equal to 45 times tan 30. It is 25.98. Now we are asked to find the height of the small building. The height of the small building is equal to, we are asked to find the height of the small building. Height of the small building is equal to L1 minus L2. That means 90.650 minus 25.98. It is 70.52. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel to watch my new videos. Thank you.